How to secure your Instagram account with two-factor authentication. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up a 2FA on your Instagram account. Let's just get right into it. Open up Instagram, make sure that you are logged into your account, and from there, you want to find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you head over to your profile, all you have to do is tap on the hamburger menu at the top right, and you need to access your account center. So tap on it. This is where you manage all of your account info, including your account security. So under account settings, head over to password and security. From there, you can find the two-factor authentication right below change password. Tap on it and select your Instagram account where you want to set it up. Once you set up your two-factor authentication, there are quite a few methods. The first one is sending SMS or WhatsApp to your phone number. You can just tap on it and add your phone number there. And if you want to enable this, you can just go ahead and toggle this on. And if you want to change number, you can just tap on the change number down below to change it. Just make sure the toggle is turned on. Another method is via Google Authenticator. Tap on Authentication app. And from here, you can easily copy the key or barcode that's set up for authentication. You can paste it on your authentication app and get the code from there. There are other additional methods as well, like you can send login requests and backup codes for your Instagram. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.